This is Brian Poykko at the DU house. It's October 17th, Tuesday. Do a little walk around on the exterior here in the progress of the DU house on 421 Princeton Street. Op Construction's here. They're forming up sidewalks and they're pouring some concrete in the parking lot. As you can see, the exterior of the house, some of the final brick is going up. Little noisy behind me. They're demolishing squires and moving a lot of dirt over there, so you'll hear some background noise, but hopefully that's okay. As you can see, the soffit work is also progressing. Copper tops to the dormers have been installed. Looking very nice. As we walk around, you can see the forms for the sidewalk. Concrete truck in the background. Waiting for the front door still. Of course, all the windows are in now. Nice arch stone over the arched windows in front. North side of the house, as you can see, they've been putting in the curb and gutter. Looking pretty nice. Take one quick walk around the back. We still have a pole we need to have removed from the back before we get some final landscaping. And we'll stop for today.